Sometimes it's happened that you ask any question to any LLM model and it refuses. On other hand, if you ask anything to any uncensored LLM model, it always answers your question. So in today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can install and run any uncensored LLM model locally on your computer without an internet connection. But before that, I want to make sure that this video is completely for educational purpose. Do not misuse all the information shared in this video for any illegal purpose. Stay legal, stay safe. So now you can see my computer screen. Now first of all, what you need to do, you have to open up any of your browser, then search on Google for LM Studio. LM Studio is an application that can help you to run local AI models into your computer. From this lmstudio.ai website, click on download for Windows and it should start downloading the LM Studio installer on your computer. It's gonna take a while, so you have to wait until the downloading get completed. When the downloading get completed, open up your downloads folder and here you will see the LM Studio exe installer. Double click on it to open the installer. Click on I agree. Next, install. And it should start installing the LM Studio on your computer. When the installation gets completed, click on finish. And it should automatically start up the LM Studio on your computer. Here you can see the LM Studio application. Click on get started. Then it will suggest you to download a AI model. I'm gonna skip it for now. I don't want to start this LM Studio on every login, so I'm gonna disable it. Then click on continue to LM Studio. Now for the first time you have to download a uncensored model into your LM Studio to run the uncensored model on your computer locally. For this, click on this icon. Now here you need to search for uncensored. And in this list you'll find all the uncensored LLM model. From here I'm going to download this Gemma 4 uncensored model. So click on it, then click on download. Now it's going to take a while to download this LLM model locally on your computer, and after that you can load that LLM model to LM Studio and use it. Okay, so guys, here you can see the model has been downloaded. Now to use this uncensored model in your LM Studio, click on use in new chat and it's going to load the uncensored model on your LM Studio. And after loading it completed, you can easily chat with this uncensored model from this LM Studio application. Here you can see the user interface is similar like ChatGPT or OpenAI. Also, if you have different model, from this list you can select the different models. In our case, we only have this Gemma 4 uncensored model. So we are going to select it. Now let's message it something. Here you can see it's generating the output according to my prompt. Here you can see it's generating the codes. So guys, following this video, you can run any uncensored model in your LM Studio locally on your computer. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.